Why does South Africa have three capitals? I mean, I thought this was wrong, so I made some research and realized this is not peculiar to South Africa alone. Here are a few countries with more than one city as its capital. We have Malaysia with two cities as its capital. One, Kuala Lumpur, and the city of Putrajaya as its second capital city. Then we have the Netherlands. The Netherlands, well, I will have guessed Amsterdam is its capital city. True. But it also has The Hague as its second capital city. Well, not actually second, it's also a capital city. Now South Africa boasts of three cities as its capital: Pretoria, Cape Town, and Bloemfontein. I hope I pronounced that correctly. These names are hard to pronounce. Then we have the country Ivory Coast. Ivory Coast has two cities as its capital: Yamoussoukro. I hope I pronounced that correctly. And then Abidjan, which we all know as the capital city. Bolivia, a country, also has two capital cities: La Paz and Sucre, or I hope that's how it's pronounced, Sucre, as its second capital city. Next is Burundi. Burundi has Gitega and Bujumbura as its capital city. Next, ESWATINI, an African country that has also two capital cities: Mbabane, one of its capital cities, and Lobamba as its second capital city. Lastly on the list is Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka has a city, Colombo, as one of its capital city. And then Sri Jayawardenepura. I'm very sure I'm pronouncing this wrongly, but yes, it's also one of its capital cities. So why and how does the country have more than one city as its capital city? Well, in some cases, the country has one city as its capital for a purpose and another city for a different purpose, with either cities having preference over the other. As in the case of Ivory Coast, we have Yamoussoukro as its political capital and Abidjan as its economic capital. I'm not sure why that is. And also we have Netherlands with Amsterdam as its official capital and The Hague as its administrative capital, where is the seat of the government. That is where the seat of government is located. In other cases, a country has a single legally defined city as its capital city, and then it has one or more other cities where the seat of all or some of its government is situated. Some cases include South Africa with Pretoria as its executive capital, Cape Town as its legislative capital, and Bloemfontein as its judicial capital. Another case is Malaysia with Kuala Lumpur as its legislative capital and Putrajaya as its administrative or executive capital. Like, comment, follow.